Alright guys, today we're going to demonstrate this old carbon monoxide detector. It's from 1998. And this thing takes 2.5 minutes to reboot, so we're not going to mess around. We're going to plug it in right away. Then we're going to test it once it's rebooted, and it has to reboot again. Then that'll be it. So here we go. So, what's the light? Like I said, it takes 2.5 minutes to boot up. Oh. It should hit 0 anytime. Oh my god, come on. Yeah, it takes forever. Wait, what? Whoa! 25, what the hell? We don't have carbon monoxide in here. I don't know why that's coming out with false reading. That's weird. It always hit 0 before. Maybe it's because it hasn't been plugged in a while or something. Maybe it's just giving out false readings, or it's glitching or malfunctioning. But you know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll check that out another time, why it's glitching like that. But we're gonna test it. Wow, it went off right away. Let me try that again. It went off right away. Now it's gonna take another 2.5 minutes to reboot. That's weird how it went off right away like that. I mean, usually you have to hold it down for like 5 seconds, but it went off instantly. Once it's done rebooting, I'll unplug it. Oh boy. Peak level? I'll try that out when it hits 0. I don't know what that does. I haven't even pushed it ever, so we'll see. It's gonna take another forever to reboot. For some reason, this thing's not saying 0, it's saying a number. I think it's glitching because there's no carbon monoxide in here. So I know this thing's glitching. So I poked it in the scratcher before and it read 0. So I think this thing's glitching. It is from 1998, so it's probably bad or glitching. It sounds loud, so it's still fine. Oh, come on. Oh boy. Now it says 10. Yeah, this thing's glitching. Let me try peak level and see what happens. I've never tried this. It hits 25. See, this thing's glitching. I don't know what peak level means, but this thing's weird. Let me unplug it. It makes that noise when you unplug it, but yep, there's a carbon monoxide detector. My collection. Alright, that's gonna be it. Bye bye.